Welcome, and in this segment I'm going to show you something that I use a lot and our team uses a lot that may be useful to you from time to time. This isn't something you may use every day, but it can be of help. If you want to know what a form looks like or what is included on a form you want to email out, using the print preview can save you a lot of time. So if you're on a reservation or an invoice, you see the print icon or link here. If you click on that, you'll notice that it lists all of the standard default forms that we provide, as well as the custom forms. Now, you don't have to print these out, but this gives you a great view of the form without having to email it to yourself to view it. So if I wanted to view what the driver trip sheet looked like, I can click print now. I'm just going to cancel printing. I don't have to print it, and that's exactly what the driver would receive if you were going to email it to them. The same with an invoice. If you want to see what the forms look like for the different types of invoices, say for instance the detailed extended invoice, you can use the print preview, open that up, and it'll show that to you there. Now, as I mentioned, it shows you your standard forms, and also you'll see that your custom forms are available here as well. So if you create something in custom forms and you want to see how it looks with some data, just open up a reservation, use the print preview, and from there you can make adjustments to the custom form if needed. Hopefully this is something that you can use from time to time that will help you save some time and make Limo Anywhere more efficient for you. Thank you.